Very nice, everyone. Good. Today we are going to look at page 19 and 20. At page 19 and 20. At page 19 and 20. And we speak about how environments affect living things. These are difficult words. That's why we practice them. Everyone stands up. So, first of all, environment.
Environment.
Effect.
Effect.
Soil.
Soil.
Nutrition.
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 Moist.
Moist.
Dry.
Dry.
Breathe.
Breathe.
Fresh water.
Fresh water.
Salt water.
Salt water.
Very good, guys. Everyone please sit down. We go to page 19
đừng nhìn nữa.
and
Xuống.
discuss this
Quay mặt lên.
page. So, everyone. Different living things are found in different environments. An environment that suits one living thing may not suit another. Difficult to understand. Don't worry, we break it up. Our first question here is, what do humans need to live? What do we need? Raise your hand and tell me. Yes. Very good. We need water. Fresh water or salt water?
Fresh water.
Fresh water. Very good. What else do we need?
We need food.
We need food. Nice. What else do we need?
We need gold.
Clothes. Okay, we add clothes. Other things. I would like you to stop now. So, yes.
We need bread.
Aha, we need bread. Where's bread? Here. Aha, we need to breathe. And what do we breathe? Who remembers this? It's a difficult word, yes?
We need to breathe out loud.
What do we breathe? What do we breathe, yeah?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, very good, thank you.
Oxygen.
And we need one more thing. We need soil. We need soil. We need soil.
We need cancer.
Why do we need soil? Why do we need soil? Any idea? Look outside. You can see many, the big ones here, many
Trees.
trees. Good. And why do we need trees? Oh, I would like someone from what? Yes. Why do we need trees? No idea? Why do we need trees?
Because trees with oxygen.
Very good. Trees produce oxygen and they give us
Apple. Food.
yeah.
Food.
They give us food, for example. They give us food for ourselves. And they give us food for someone else. We give food to somebody. To whom do we give food?
Fruit.
And who gets our food? Yeah? Who gets our food?
Me.
No, me. Yes. The farmer is very important. Why does the farmer give away food? Who gets the farmer's food? Yeah?
Trees.
Not, well, also the trees, but also...
Sorry.
No, I think we're going in circles here. I'll write it down for you. Soil to grow foods for ourselves And you want to eat bananas, you want to eat apples, you want to eat rice, you want to eat bread, and then you want to eat meat, you want to eat an egg, you want to drink some milk. So who do you have to give some food? Not the farmer. Whom do you have to give some food?
A chef. A chef.
The chef, okay. But if you want to get meat and eggs and fish and milk, you have to give some food to, yeah? To the animals! Thank you! Very good. Thank you very much. Very good. You give some food to the animals. Very nice. Now, who wants to do this now? Good. So, now we give some food for ourselves and we can give some to the animals. Everybody can have a turn. Easy going. Easy going. So, here we can see what we humans need. What do plants need?
Trên mỏi chân quá. Rồi vậy cũng được. Đặt chịu.
What do plants need? Now, I want you to take your books. You take your books and you take a pencil and you write down what do plants need? And then you make some notes. You have 2 minutes. Think about what do plants need? Do they need clothes? Do they need oxygen? No. They need also fresh water. So for example, you could write down fresh water. And many other things. So 2 minutes. Take out a pencil. Take out your books. Write down what do plants need, what do plants need, and then make a list. Here you go. Write in your book. Write in your book with your pencil. Exactly. Nice. I will go around and check. Good. Thank you. Water, they need light. Very good. Good guys, that goes well. My friend, you're on the wrong page. We're still here. What do plants need? And then you make a list. Good. Bow, you too. Wrong page. What do plants need? Take a pencil and rock and roll. Good. Good. Let's see. Good. Oh, perfect. Very good, guys. Okay, let's collect it on the board then. And what do plants need? Give me an idea here. Bang.
Soil, water, and sunlight.
Wow. Soil. What kind of water?
Fresh water. Đừng ăn hội đi.
Anyway, so we say water, but most of them need fresh water. Well, that's okay. Soil, water, what else?
Oxygen.
They don't need oxygen.
Light.
Light. Thank you. Sunlight.
Sunlight.
Sunlight. And
Carbon.
carbon dioxide. Thank you. You remember carbon dioxide is a good friend of oxygen here because we breathe out Good. Carbon dioxide. We breathe in. Thank you. The tree needs. Good. The tree produces. Very good. Thank you. So that's a super important part. Another very super important thing here is sunlight. Huh? If there is no sunlight, they can't grow. And also it would be very very cold. Good. Now what do plants need? This has gone very well. Let me see, do we forget anything? Anything else plants need? And you are having fun here at play class? I'm going to take away all your things until you are forced to actually look at your book. Isn't that horrible? So, good. Okay. Now we have done this. We have done this. Let me see. Let me see. And
Thank you.
No.
Very good. And we move on. We move on. No jokes here. And we will read a little bit because we want to look at the difference between soil and sand. Down here. Check it out in your books. I'll read first. A garden is usually a bright and sunny place. So is a beach. However, a garden is covered in soil, but a beach is covered in sand. Not such a difficult text, Bao, huh? I need two people to read. 1 and 2. Bao, you go for 1. I would like you to go for 2. And roll. A garden. Can you say?
Chả nét đâu.
Bright. Place.
Chả nét mấy.
Well done. And however, covered soil in sand. Very good. Thank you. We read this once more. I would like to hear 2 girls now. I would like to hear 2. You can read 1 for us. Thank you. And you can read 2 for us. Yes, very good. 1 and 2. Go for it. A garden. A garden. Usually. Bright. Sunny. Place. Beach. Thank you.
A garden is covered in soil.
Mỏi tay quá.
Beach is covered in sand.
Thank you very much. Good. Nice, nice, nice. Now, the big difference. Soil and sand. If you now please go. We will learn a lot more about these things. You have 3 pictures on page 20. What do you see on page 20? Someone. What do you see? I would like someone new. I have the same 5 people. I like you guys very much, but I need some new people. Okay. So, what do you see on page 20? Plants. Very good. Our first thing. Plants. Good. What else do you see? Good. Earthworms. And one more thing. Yes, very good. Yes.
15
Yeah.
phút rồi.
Coconut trees. Thank you. So I have to squeeze it in here a bit. Coconut.
Ủa,
Good. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Oh, you guys. Look at you guys. Huh? Look at it. So you can be the next one. Very nice. Thank you guys. Okay. Now we look at these guys. And please no jokes here. Plants, earthworms, coconut trees. And I have 3 questions. What do they need? What do they need?
Soil.
Why do they need it? And where do they live? Where do they grow? I don't know, but we will check that out now. And where? Good. Let me see to make it a bit nicer here. Pretty as something. Brilliant, friends. And page 20 it is. Page 20 it is. I'm going to read again, and then we go through a couple of these things. Soil can hold more water than sand. It also contains more nutrition than sand. Many plants grow well in soil, but not in sand. Who wants to read this part here?
Me.
Huh? It's not easy, but you can do it. Roll.
giữ sách ra tớ. Nó cứ bay.
Yeah, you want to stand here? Okay.
Soil can hold more water than sand. It also contains more
Nutrition.
than sand. Many plants grow well in soil, but not in sand.
That was great reading. Thank you. So, there are more nutrition in soil. There are more nutrition in soil. That's an important information. We go over to the earthworms. Earthworms need to keep their skin moist. If their skin dries out, they cannot breathe. They cannot live in sand. And let me see, I want a new person for earthworms. The gentleman in the Adidas sports jacket. Yes. Good. Exactly. You read about the earthworms. Earthworms. If their skin dries out,
they cannot
breathe.
They cannot live in sand.
Good. Well done. Thank you. Last one. We check out coconut trees. Coconut trees, on the other hand, can grow well in sand, but not, you're on the wrong page. They can grow well in sand, but not in soil. Sand provides a drier environment as it allows water to drain away. Yes! Yeah. On the other hand, can grow well. Good. Provides a drier environment. Allows Nice job. Thank you very much. Very, very, very good. Now, let me see. You can sit down, please. And we will now discuss these 3 things. Thank you very much. Very good. Thank you. Good, guys. We look at this here. And we start with the plants. We start on top here. If you think you have an answer for what do plants need, raise your hand. You can get the chalk and write it down. What do plants need?
42
Good.
20 phút 40 giây.
Biết rồi.
And write in the box here, water. And can you also write the difficult one here? Nutrition.
Nào đi.
So, plants need water and nutrition. Why? What do plants do with water and nutrition?
Đậm cưng tung á.
Yeah.
Đậm cưng.
They grow. Thank you very much. They grow. Easy peasy. They grow. And the last one is fairly easy again. Where do they grow? So, where do they grow? Thank you. That's actually what you can answer me. Where do plants grow? Where do plants grow?
No.
What is it? Soil. I would like you to pay attention to my class because my class is amazing. So, please, soil. Ah, that is amazingly beautiful. Thank you. And earthworms. Check out the text again. What do they need? Yes. They need a moist what? Moist what? Moist. Moist skin.
Nào.
Thank you. And why do they need moist skin? Otherwise, what happens? Yeah?
Otherwise they can grow.
It's not about grow. Otherwise,
They can breathe.
they can't breathe and they dry out. Otherwise, they dry out. We'll discuss this in a second again. So otherwise, they dry out. Thank you. I need 2 people. Here. Otherwise. You know otherwise?
24 phút rồi.
Okay, I need 2 students, please. And take these 2 boys over there.
What?
So,
No
Sure,
idea.
there can also be goes there. So,
No
you
idea.
don't need any of these at the moment, but thank you. Instead, here we have Vietnam. Here we have Vietnam. I would like you to stop that. Here we have Vietnam. Vietnam is a happy boy. Are you a happy boy?
Yes, it was. Yes.
Happy boy? Yes or no?
Yes, it was.
No, not a happy boy. Very sad, but it's good. And Vietnam drinks water every day. You drink water every day? Aha! Now, for 3 days, Vietnam did not drink water. What happens to Vietnam?
He died.
He dies. Vietnam dies. His body needs water. If he does not get water, he dies. So, what does he do every day? He needs water. Aha. Over here, we have an earthworm. Over here, we have an earthworm. You can see it very easily. So,
Chưa, trong này không có.
but
Che đầu rồi,
he
nhìn nè.
decides to go on a beach holiday. He decides to go.
Đây.
Guys, we can have entertainment here, but only if you're quiet. Good. Now, he is an earthworm. He goes on a beach
26 rồi.
holiday. Oh no, that's a
26 phút.
mistake. Why should he not go to the beach? Aha! Sand is not a place that can keep water well. So he dries out. His body loses all the water and he dies. Ah, that's the end of our stories here. Thank you, boys. So, humans and earthworms are a bit similar. Guys, again, I would like you to calm down a bit. Everyone, put your hands on the table. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Thank you. Good.
Khoanh được gì bây giờ?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Now, we look at the last one. The coconut tree is different. Coconut tree is different. What does a coconut tree need? What does it? Let's ask one of these people over here. It's so noisy here. What does a coconut tree need? Any ideas here? Check it out down here. What do they need? Drier environment. Huh? They need dry sand. My friend, you can come and write down dry sand.
Good.
Thank you very much.
Ngồi xuống.
Thank you. So, coconut trees need dry sands. Why? Look in your books.
Because they can eat the sand.
Ah, please come over here. They can live in sand and good. Thank you. Bao, you're on the wrong page. I can see it from here. Thank you. They can live in sand. They must not have too much water. They must not have too much water. They must not have too much. If we have not enough water, we die. But if the coconut tree gets too much water, it also dies. Do you know another famous plant that does not need too much water? You know this one here? Cactus. Huh? What is it?
It is a
A cactus it is. It's a cactus. The same thing. The cactus grows in the desert where there's a lot of sun and sand but no water. And also it does not need too much water. And the last question is super easy here. Where does a coconut tree grow? Thank you. I write down myself. Good. Okay. So we have looked today at page 19 and 20. You remember last week we spoke about the animals that live on the beach and the plants that can grow on the beach. Now we speak about the importance of soil, and we will continue with this next week. I would like you friends to prepare a homework. I would like you friends to prepare a homework today. I want you to write 3 questions about page 19 and because next week I want to have a quiz game with all 3 groups. A game! Aha! I got you there. Now, next week I would like you to bring 3 questions about what you have learned today. Maybe you write down a question like, what is oxygen? Or do plants need clothes? Where do coconut trees grow? How is the skin of an earthworm? What do plants need besides water? You can think about many different questions from page 20 and 19. Write down 3 questions in your notebook. Bring them next week, exactly. Write 3 questions yourself. Think about 3 questions yourself. Bring them next week, and we will have a game where all the groups play against each other. Do you understand?
Yeah!
Thank you for saying yes. I never know with you guys. Good. Let me see. How's our time? Oh, look at that. It's lunchtime. Everyone, please stand up.
Stand up, please.
Wow, mình đứng sẵn rồi. Goodbye, my teacher.
Goodbye, guys. See you next week. Thank you. Sit down, please.
Please sit down and I translate for you understand what you have to do at home today.
Ôi, 5 phút nữa kìa.
Thank you. Good, thank you.
Come back to the seat.